Hey guys, my name is Crystal, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. The last couple of videos have been about Switzerland, and I got a lot of feedback, like good feedback from you guys saying that you are interested in knowing more about Switzerland. So today I'm actually gonna do something very special, which is go to this special mysterious place where you probably already know where it is because of the description of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me to Zurich. After meeting up with Muriel, we decided to walk straight to Lindt, and the funny thing about this store is it's actually a collaboration of two big companies here in Switzerland. So the store is not only called Lindt, but it's also called Lindt and Bachmann. It is two huge companies here in Switzerland. Bachmann is known for their bread, pastries, and sandwiches, while Lindt is known for their chocolates, and if you haven't heard of Lindt before, you probably live under a rock. And together, this store created this thing called Chocolate World. When you enter the store from the Lindt sign, you immediately see the stairway with chocolate running under it. On the second floor is where you'll find the different chocolates from Bachmann and Lindt. The concept of Chocolate World is for you to fill your own box of pralines or chocolate bars, and you simply pay by weight. There are also a lot of special boxes to bring as souvenirs, but the main attraction of Chocolate World is a wall of melted chocolate. Yes, it is real chocolate. You can smell it and you can see it, that it's real. And no, you can't taste it. Well, you can't taste the wall, but they do provide a free taste of the melted chocolate, and it comes in a small cup. And as I mentioned earlier, Bachmann and Lindt did a collaboration, so there's also a section for the Lindt chocolates, like the known ball thingy ones. And on the third floor, there's actually a cafe where we ate some sandwiches and drank some juice, and it's really pretty. We went to this really sweet corner where it is just so Instagrammable, and it's really scary because when you sit in that area, you look down and you can actually see the bottom floors. So yeah, if you're not afraid of heights, then this is like the perfect hangout place ever. It's so hard, it's so heavy. And if you're wondering where the store is located, here's a map. It is literally like 2-3 minutes away from the Bahnhof. And when you do visit, don't forget to try the melted chocolate. It's really good. After visiting the Chocolate World, we decided to walk to the old town of Zurich. It's really pretty there. So if you do visit Zurich, don't forget to visit the old town. There are so many great activities that you can do inside the old town. You can shop, you can hang out there, you can eat dinner, you can play billiards, you can just do basically anything that you can think of. And after Muriel and I walked around, we decided to go home because it was getting late. And if you guys want to see more of my vlogs, I'm gonna link it in the description box, and I'm also gonna show it to you now. And if you would like to see more, just click one of these, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!